It's one of those simple how-to videos, you know? So we're going to need a toolbox. We got our toolboxes right here. And mine is obviously not in good shape. I don't know why. It never does stay the way it needs to be. So I'm just going to guess 13 millimeter. It's probably 9/16, but we shall try and see. And it feels like a 13. So we're going to take this 13 and get a half socket, put it on this. And the reason I'm pouring the carburetor is I'm going to be removing this intake and I'm going to be selling this carburetor on eBay. So yeah, it's a 13 millimeter. So once you do that, I'm going to put this on the off thing. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. And we're going to take this bolt out. Make sure you got your fuel line disconnected also. That's this. And all your pulleys and hookups will need to be disconnected. But I'm going to go ahead and loosen these. And then we go from there. This is a nice looking GM 2-bell. Wow, I thought that was a single bell. This has actually got a little bit of performance. Depending on your pulley setup will depend how everything comes apart. And that looks 100% professional. Okay, that'll pull out. A spring undone. Yeah, it's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and get this removed. Remember, they 4 bolts, one and 2 on each side, and undo your hookups. Don't lose your bolts down in the engine. Once you get all 4 bolts out, all your brackets unhooked, and all your vacuum hoses, this will pick straight up, just like that. Now, if it's stuck a little bit to your gasket, just try to twist it a little, and it should break it free. And you might not have to buy another gasket if you do it like that. These small box Chevys is pretty simple. And you ask, why did I make such a simple video? Just in case you want to take your carburetor off and clean it. You know, that's normal maintenance. Sometimes your car sets, the carburetor gels up with the fuel today, and you just need to take it off either for a cleaning or a rebuild. So this video probably will find someone and be helpful to them. You know, not everybody knows about cars, and I try to make these how-to videos.